to invite a contact to join WhatsApp. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp app, tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings section. Now, once inside the settings, scroll down and there you will get to see invite a friend option available. All you have to do is tap on it and you will be navigated to all your saved contacts on your phone. Now, scroll down and look for the contact you want to invite or want them to join on WhatsApp. Scroll down and look for one contact and simply tap on it. Once you tap on that contact, you'll be navigated to the SMS section where you'll have to send this link to the person and they will tap on it and they will be invited or joined to the WhatsApp app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.